Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, about 9:30. I am at a property that we're doing today. We're washing their Austin stone, the concrete, all the sidewalks, concrete around the pool, some rock around the pool, and all the soffits and stuff like that. So let me show you kind of the back real quick, give you a little overview. We're gonna be doing the soffits up here. I'm trying to focus on my hand. The siding right here, there's a little bit of siding up here. The two chimneys, all this rock right here. I quoted them for the brick as well. The brick is actually in really good shape, so we're not gonna do the brick today. But yeah, then we have like some rock back here. It's gonna be washed, and stuff like that. So now I'll take you around the other side so you can see the concrete. So yeah, guys, we're gonna wash this concrete all the way down. We're washing this stone up here, all this Austin stone up here. You can see, pretty nasty. Got my dad rolling up. I want to move his truck. They're out of town, so we got one driveway, got this, and two driveways. And this goes all the way back, and we're going to wash all these soffits around here as well. And here in a little bit I'll show you the back, but I'm going to get this gate open and get the water hooked up and get ready, and I'll kind of show you a little bit more around the house. So should be a good day. We got Dylan in the house. What's up? We got this concrete right here that we're washing. Some of this stone we're washing. This awesome stone back here. The soffits. This rock right here, the stone. Pretty much this whole entire back patio we're washing. This stuff looks, yeah, we'll probably hit this as well. We gotta be careful around the TVs and stuff, but up here some siding that we're gonna hit. Yeah, we're not hitting this rock. This is actually moss rock, so it's really cool. I asked them about that, you know, and they said that they did not want to get that washed. So soffits around here, another chimney over here. This concrete, we're not washing the basketball court concrete, but we are washing under here. And this is actually a water slide that goes into the pool. We're gonna be washing this concrete. We're not washing this wall because this is also moss rock. This concrete down here, this stone. So yeah, should be a pretty good one. This is pretty much the back. You can kind of see from here the siding, which it looks like there might be a little bit of oxidation. I can't really tell from down here, but we'll see how it looks after we hit it. So hit that, all the soffits, like I said, and should be a pretty good day, guys. I'll take y'all back here, and I'll go do a walk around with Dylan and my dad, kind of get a game plan together. We're gonna hit this stuff back here. We are hitting this as well. This concrete back here on the AC unit, AC pad. We are hitting that. All this concrete. These soffits. We're hitting all this concrete. All the soffits up in here. We are gonna open this garage And we're washing that garage inside, and then we're washing this as well. And up here. So, and they got the music playing for us. So, should be a good day. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get started, get everything kind of rolled out, go over the game plan with them, and I'll catch back up with y'all here in a little bit. So, here's the Austin Stone kind of close up. We're gonna get rid of all that today. All right, guys, so we have all the plugs. It's kind of not sticking very well because of the rain. We got all the plugs, all the locks, all the lights, everything covered. So we're not getting any SH or any water inside any outlets, any electrical stuff. So yeah, been here maybe 30 minutes. We're gonna start. We already went around the whole property, got kind of like a game plan. We're just gonna go around and get everything taped off, and then we'll start doing our thing. So, got the pre-treatment on. Dylan's over there washing. Pre-treated all this. Down there. We got all this rinsed down to where we can start pre-treating this. So I noticed that we were working and I wasn't filming anything, so I want to try and bring y'all along with this process. So I'm gonna set y'all up where you can kind of see, hopefully. So here we go. We're getting pretty close. We got all the back done. We're gonna move. My dad's going to get us food, and then we're gonna do the front of the house. We did this side and the back of the house. So now we just have to do the front and the other side. But back here, man, everything's really clean. All the concrete, stone, it all cleaned up really well. That dirty Austin stone. All that stuff's cleaning up really well. So yeah, we got all the soffits back here. I got up on this little roof right here and was able to hit most of that. I got there on that deck and did that. All this stone right here looks really good. We got all the guys. I can't stress to y'all enough how important it is to tape off plugs and lights and stuff like that. You can tell this one right here, everything that I was washing off of that was coming straight down right here onto this light, and so we had to tape that off really well. But yeah, everything else, man, it looks really good. We're probably gonna have to rinse back here a little bit more. I think my dad's gonna do that, but everything's looking really clean. So the gutters, as you can see, a little bit of oxidation going on, but we're not doing oxidation removal today. So yep, we got the siding up here. I got up on this roof, got that knocked out, did all that, all this, everywhere over here. This stone is looking really good compared to what it was. The fireplace, or the chimneys, are looking a little bit better. There's some spots that it was just a lot of soot that wouldn't come off, but you can see now they look a lot better. You can see up top, like right there, you can see that some of that soot's still there, but we got all the algae off of it. And the customers knew that. They knew that there was some soot on them and stuff like that, so they weren't expecting all of that to come off. All the soffits over here look really good. Everything's looking really clean. We got back here all of this. This AC pad, man, it was really bad. It looks a whole lot better. So we got all this up here as well. So yeah, we're about to go. I'll just take you around, I guess. So all we got left is this concrete right here. These soffits. We got to get in this garage. Soffits. Soffit up here, there, everywhere I showed you. And then we'll get this, and then we'll get out of here. So, well, I'll show you the front real quick. You already saw it, so you kind of know what we got to do. But we are getting close. This is all done. I'm gonna come back through here and post-treat this aggregate concrete, but not too much left to go. I'll bring y'all back here in a little bit. Maybe I'll do a time lapse so y'all can see kind of what we're doing, but it's getting close. So, all right, see you in a little bit. Well, guys, oh, my camera lens. I dropped my camera today, so I can't zoom anymore. I guess I'm gonna have to get another lens. But we are just now finishing up, man, at 6:45. It was a long day, a lot of work. Sorry I didn't record much. I'm gonna bring y'all back over tomorrow, I think. Like, I'll have a follow-up video of kind of everything. Yeah, it's dark right now. I think that we got everything. I'm gonna ask the customer, you know, if they see anything, then let us know. But we can't see anything out here. I've got both my light bars on, and it's just so freaking dark. Bring y'all back to the back. I don't know if it's lit up back here or not. I'll bring y'all back over here in a couple days, maybe show you the after. But all in all, long day. Morning, guys. So back here at the property, taking a look around everything. I'm going to show y'all kind of the after. Everything looks fantastic. All the Austin stone cleaned up really well. I see one little spot that we might have to touch up, but it's not bad. And we hit that spot quite a bit. I'll show you real quick. Well, let me show you kind of, I'll throw in some before pictures and I'll show you kind of what it looks like after. As you can see, all the black that was all over this Austin stone right here up top, all that cleaned up really, really nice. There's one little bitty spot right here that looks like it could use one more treatment on the side. But yeah, man, it's looking really dang good. That cleaned up really well. So we did all the concrete like y'all saw yesterday. All this concrete back here looks really good. Cleaned up really nice. All the soffits are clean. They do need oxidation removal on the gutters, but man, it looks good. Everything up there cleaned in here. We'll go in here. See what this looks like. Oh, well, I didn't mean to do that. I just called the customer and she said that she's gonna tell them to disregard. They're out of town still, so I opened that garage door to go in there and check on the garage, and the alarm went off. So that's a loud alarm. That's good. Cleaned all this. All right, guys. So I had to come out here and hit a couple more spots. So I brought the trailer real quick, got it all finished up. We just had a little bit of stone that was being stubborn. We couldn't see last night when we were hitting it. So I just came back and put another treatment on it, and man, it looks good. So now I can show you kind of the after. The sun's already starting to go down. It's 3:30, which is stupid. All the black that was on the awesome stone came off. I know it's kind of hard to see right now because there's a bunch of shadows from the sun being over there, but this is the side right here. You can see it right here. That was being a little stubborn, so I hit a little spot under there where we had the water hooked up yesterday, and we missed it, so came back and hit that. All the stone back here, we left all this, of course, because they like that moss rock. A lot of efflorescence right here coming down, or it's like lime or something coming off these stones right here. We might come back out here and try to treat some of this if they want us to. Maybe with some F9 Efflow, might do it some good. So yeah guys, we washed all down here. All this stone, we didn't hit this because that's moss rock. We don't want to hit that. Washed all this. Oh, this looks really good. So, turned out really good, guys. I'm just taking a couple more pictures and we'll be getting out of here. So, be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're all finished up. I almost forgot y'all back here. I set you down, so here's the concrete. It's drying up real nice. Homeowners are on their way home, so came back over here and got a couple things touched up. Like I said before, got the street washed down. Everything looks so good, guys. They're gonna be really happy. The rock, concrete, the house, the brick, the stone, everything turned out really well. Super happy. So guys, I hope that y'all enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here or if you're old here, I think it said last time that like 90% of y'all weren't subscribed to the channel. So if you want to, if you like the content I put out, subscribe please. It would mean a lot to me. And like the video and come along with us, you know, on the next one. We've got a house on a guy reached out to me, a house on the lake, probably about 30 minutes from us. Reached out through my website and asked if we can come give him a quote on his roof. It's like right on the lake, man. It's a really pretty house, so hopefully we got that coming up. Of course, we got Chick-fil-A's. Next Saturday we're doing the trash trucks again, fleet washing. The following week we'll be doing 8 trucks in Dallas, fleet washing. Following Saturday we're doing the trash trucks again. So we're on a 2-week schedule with the trash trucks. So if you want to see anything like that, the fleet washing we do, the house washing, roof washing, whatever y'all enjoy the most, even if you want to see some of our details, we do car detailing as well. I can bring you along for that. So we will be moving into the shop in about 3 weeks. So be ready to see some cool content with that. I'm going to have the Lightning in there, restoring the Lightning. So my Ford Lightning, I have a 99 Ford Lightning that has been mine since I was 18. I'm 28 now, so I've had it for 10 years. My uncle bought it brand new back in 99, so I'll be restoring that thing. It's really not in bad shape, but it needs, you know, the typical things that Lightnings need. The seats get worn out. It needs an engine refresh. It's been sitting for a while, so I'm either gonna get it painted, repainted, or I'm gonna get it wrapped. And I need y'all's help to figure out what color I should do. I'm thinking about sticking to the stock, how it came, the Oxford white, or maybe doing like a cool Nardo gray with some new wheels and stuff like that. So let me know what you think, guys. I appreciate you for watching. And like I said, if you're new or you're old and you like the videos, please subscribe. Help me get to, I think we're at 5,000 something subs. My goal for this year is to hit 10,000 subs. So help me get there, guys. I appreciate it. All right, peace out.